Hello. Today here at APSON Motors, we have here with us Mr. Surender Kumar. How are you, sir?
I'm good. I'm good.
So, how would you like to describe your relationship with APSON Motors?
Since 2017, we are using APSON motors, and we are very happy with it. And many corporate sector we are using this machine, and we are so much happy. Performance is very good.
How would you like to describe the product quality of APSON?
Product quality is very good. So this, I have one word. Its quality is very nice and very good. I'm very much happy with it. Yes.
What would you like to say about the product that we have launched today, Chetak by APSON?
It's a great product. In Indian market, this kind of product is never available. Now it's available now. We can go through it and we can pursue this kind of a product to our client, and we can give them. And we are very happy we have this kind of product here. Yes.
Also, it's 98% components are made in India. That's the best part about it, Chetak.
Yes, I know already about APSON, and we are using us as since 2017. We are aware about it. And, yes.
Thank you so much for joining us, sir. Thank you.